everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're doing another simple task, and that is to make someone in your family a cup of tea. So let's get started. First of all, we have to fill the kettle up. So we need cold water from the tap. I'll just do that. There we go. And we'll put that on to boil. So let's just wait a few minutes for it to boil. Okay, that's the kettle boiled. Now we need a cup to drink our tea and a spoon. Now we don't need many ingredients for this. Tea bag, milk and sugar if you take sugar in your tea. But I'm sweet enough so I don't need any sugar. Here we go. So we need to put our tea bag into our cup. Be very careful here because the kettle will be hot, so you may need someone to help you with it. So we're going to pour our boiling water, it's really hot, onto our tea bag and fill it so far to the top. Okay. And we'll let it brew for a few seconds. I like my tea strong. Once it's brewed, we take our tea bag out. Still again, be very careful because the tea bag will be hot, so use your spoon. There we go. If you take milk, we need to add our milk. And then if you like sugar, we need to put some sugar in. Okay. And that, give it a stir. And that is how to make a cup of tea. I've got everything step by step on the worksheet that is going to come home to you today. So enjoy with your favourite biscuit. Bye bye, take care.
Oh